What's popping, guys? How is my new look? Jokes apart. Now I'm here to unbox my new OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G mobile. So let's unbox it. So friends, here is our brand new OnePlus mobile. So let's unbox it. And here we have some details. So let's unbox it. This looks so reflective. And here we have the first look of OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G blue color mobile. And here we go. Let's open it. Wow, it looks very awesome, guys. Now it's satisfaction part. So let's peel it. Wow, guys, this looks awesome. This is the brand new OnePlus mobile. It has cameras of 64MP camera, mini 2MP camera, and this is the 4cm macro camera. The display is 120Hz. It has 128GB memory storage and its RAM is 8GB. Its color looks awesome, guys, and this color is known as Blue Tide. Now let's on the mobile. Powered by Android. Let's see what we have in this box. In this black box we have, wow, a perfect phone case for my new mobile. Hi. We have some membership card, safety information, and a sticker for my new mobile, etc, etc. And we have an adapter and a charging cable. This is the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G and its color is Blue Tide with 8GB RAM and with 128GB storage. Its cost is 22,000 and its battery power is 5,000. Chip is Snapdragon of 695 and its display power is 120Hz. Thanks guys for watching my OnePlus mobile unboxing. So friends, if you like my unboxing videos, meme review videos and gaming videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Meet you in my next video. Peace.